Video we are carrying out an experiment with our high-speed hair dryer. You can see we're using these threads. Let's imagine this is our hair, so we are trying to wet our hair on our threads. You can see how wet the threads are. Here is our paper, so let's check out this. You can see how wet the paper is. You can see here we are drying our hair, all our threads. You can check this out. Within a very short period of time. Now let's check out how to see if our hair is dry. You can see the paper is dry. One more time. The paper is dry. So if you really like this high-speed hair dryer, simply click on the link below.